Ever wondered how your current lifestyle might be impacting your lifespan? Curious about the secrets of longevity? In a world where the pace of life is ever increasing, the quest for longevity is becoming more and more relevant. We're starting to ask important questions. How can we live longer? How can we stay healthier as we age? One man who's been working tirelessly to answer these questions is Dr. David Sinclair, a professor of genetics at Harvard Medical School. Dr. Sinclair is a renowned figure in the world of longevity research. He's dedicated his life to uncovering the secrets of a long and healthy life. From advocating for specific diets and exercise regimens, to exploring the effects of various supplements on aging, his work has been groundbreaking. Join us as we delve into the life and discoveries of Dr. David Sinclair and uncover his secrets to a longer, healthier life. What makes Dr. Sinclair a renowned name in the field of genetics and longevity? Well, it's his unwavering dedication, groundbreaking research, and transformative recommendations that have sculpted his stellar reputation. Dr. David Sinclair, a prodigious professor of genetics at the prestigious Harvard Medical School, has devoted his career to unearthing the secrets of aging. His quest? To help humanity live healthier, longer lives. Sinclair's journey began more than 2 decades ago, in the late 90s, when he was knee-deep in the study of yeast cells. It was here that he first stumbled upon a group of genes known as sirtuins. Fascinated, he delved into understanding their role, and his research led to a groundbreaking discovery. These genes could potentially extend the lifespan of yeast cells. The discovery was just the tip of the iceberg. Over the years, he has expanded his research to understand how these genes work in more complex organisms, including us humans. His findings? Intriguing and promising. Dr. Sinclair discovered that sirtuins could play a critical role in slowing down the aging process, not just in yeast, but in mammals as well. His research didn't stop there. Sinclair then ventured into understanding how lifestyle and diet can influence these genes. His work in this area has been equally riveting. He found that certain lifestyle changes, like regular exercise and intermittent fasting, can stimulate these longevity genes. Similarly, a diet rich in certain plants, known as stress plants, can also activate these genes. But Sinclair's journey goes beyond research. He is a living testament to his findings. He himself adheres to a lifestyle and diet geared towards longevity, exercising regularly, fasting intermittently, and consuming a diet rich in stress plants. His recommendations are not just theoretical but practical, culled from his own experience and the wealth of research he has conducted. They offer a roadmap to a healthier, longer life, potentially unlocking the secrets of human longevity. Dr. Sinclair's research has led to some revolutionary recommendations for promoting longevity. Dr. Sinclair's lifestyle recommendations are unique, but they're backed by scientific research. This Harvard geneticist advocates for a lifestyle that stimulates the body's natural defenses against aging. First on the list is exercise, but not just any exercise. Dr. Sinclair advises that we should be moving fast enough, at least 3 times a week, that it becomes difficult to hold a conversation. This level of exertion produces a low oxygen state in the body, stimulating a beneficial form of stress. This in turn promotes muscle growth, improves blood flow, and triggers responses that slow down the aging process. Next, let's delve into his guidelines for eating. Dr. Sinclair suggests less is more. Ideally, we should be eating within a 6-hour window each day, and if possible, consuming just 1 meal. This approach, known as intermittent fasting, helps to inactivate aging genes in the body. What should we be eating in that 6-hour window? Dr. Sinclair's preference leans heavily towards a plant-based diet, particularly leafy greens such as spinach. He also emphasizes the importance of stress plants. These are plants that are vibrant in color and are rich in polyphenols, molecules that activate the body's defenses. But it's not just about what we should be eating. It's also about what we should avoid. Sugars, high carbohydrates, meats, and dairy can all cause blood sugar spikes, which are detrimental to our bodies. By removing these from our diet, we can maintain a more stable source of energy throughout the day. Lastly, Dr. Sinclair suggests supplementing our diets with resveratrol, NMN, and metformin. Resveratrol and NMN are antioxidants and precursors to NAD, a compound that has anti-aging effects. Metformin, on the other hand, is a medication typically used to control blood sugars, but it also has been found to have anti-aging properties. These recommendations, though simple, have the potential to significantly extend our lifespan. So while it might seem challenging to adopt such an approach at first, The potential benefits to our health and longevity make it worth considering. The longevity diet isn't just about what you eat, but also when and how you eat. Let's delve deeper into what this means, as per the teachings of Dr. David Sinclair, a renowned genetics professor at Harvard Medical School. Dr. Sinclair champions a diet that doesn't just feed your hunger, but nourishes your longevity. A cornerstone of his dietary philosophy is the timing of meals. He advises eating within a 6-hour window each day. This regimen, often referred to as time-restricted eating, prompts the body to go into a state of fasting for the majority of the day. This fasting state is believed to inactivate aging genes, boosting the body's defenses against the wear and tear of time. Now let's talk about the what in what you eat. Dr. Sinclair's diet primarily revolves around plants, particularly those of the leafy green variety like spinach. He also advocates for the consumption of what he calls stress plants. These are plants full of color, rich in polyphenols, which are beneficial molecules that activate the body's defenses. It's not all about inclusion, though. A crucial part of this longevity diet involves exclusion as well. Dr. Sinclair recommends eliminating sugars, high carbohydrates, meats, and dairy from one's diet. These changes help to prevent blood sugar spikes, providing a more stable source of energy throughout the day and enhancing overall health. Interestingly, Dr. Sinclair doesn't just rely on food for nourishment. He also incorporates dietary supplements into his daily routine. His top 3 are resveratrol, NMN, and metformin. Resveratrol and NMN are taken for their antioxidant and anti-aging properties, while metformin is used to control blood sugar levels. In essence, the longevity diet is a holistic approach to eating. It's about consuming the right foods, at the right time, in the right way, complemented by beneficial supplements. This isn't a quick-fix diet, but a lifestyle choice that requires commitment, discipline, and a desire for a healthier, longer life. A longevity diet, as recommended by Dr. Sinclair, can be a game-changer in our quest for a longer, healthier life. Supplements can play a key role in promoting longevity, according to Dr. Sinclair. Let's delve into what these supplements are and how they work. Dr. Sinclair's daily supplement regimen includes resveratrol, NMN, and metformin. But why these 3? Resveratrol, found in grapes, berries, and peanuts, acts as an antioxidant and helps fend off age-related diseases. It's like adding an extra layer of protection to your health. NMN, on the other hand, boosts the levels of NAD in our bodies, a compound that decreases as we age. It's like turning back the biological clock. Lastly, metformin, a medication typically used to control blood sugars, is included in Dr. Sinclair's regimen for its potential anti-aging benefits. It's like a secret weapon in the fight against time. Remember, these supplements are not magic bullets. They work in conjunction with a healthful diet and regular exercise. The journey to longevity, as per Dr. Sinclair, is a holistic approach encompassing diet, exercise, and the right supplements.